Okay. Greenville Tower, Kayak 159 Park Sierra at runway 19 ready to go. We would like to do one option to full stop and then we'll depart to the west.
Cessna 159er Foxtrot Sierra, Greenville Tower, runway 19er, make right traffic, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, 159 Park Sierra.
Oh, let's do it. You can also see once we get on the runway, as we get further down, how the lights on the side will go from basically white to orange and then red. You'll see the difference. You'll see that really over GSP too, so as we get going, it's letting you know that, hey, you're running out of runway. Alright, let's do it. Woohoo!
Centurion 54 Delta Zulu Greenville ground, runway 19er, taxi via Delta 5.
40.
Cross runway 1028, then northbound on
55, rotate. Does this guy have no light?
Yeah, it's broke.
And that's annoying.
It is annoying. Let me see Kevin about it again while I'm sitting here then.
Can't see the ball, you know?
Yep, no, I'm with you. Crap. See it now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, just fly your pattern. I'm going to be on my texter here real quick. See it? See the runway?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I know it. I asked you before you didn't answer it. There you go. Alright, sir, but this is real nice. Keep what you got. Get your flaps down when you're ready, when the runway's made. You got the runway right there. Perfect.
Attention all aircraft, ATC information uniform now current. The wind's variable out of the east at 4 knots, altimeter 3031.
Where's the center of that runway?
That's right, between the two yellow lines. Doesn't have any center light. See the green lights?
Yeah.
The green, then you got the yellow going down, you got the VASI lights over there. So watch your speed. Good, real nice in your altitude, so you know you're high, so don't worry about it until you see a bunch of reds on the VASI. Come down real good. There goes one red. There's two reds, so this is a glide slope right here. There you go, this is looking good. Alright, fly right to the deck, just like. Power back. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Alright, full stop. Yep, full stop, so pull, yep, brakes. Flaps up for you.
Yeah.
3,000 feet marker.
Greenville Tower, Centurion 54 Delta Zulu is ready at 19 westbound.
Cool.
Okay,
Alright, just let us know, yeah, we're ready for go, westbound departure.
Greenville Tower, 159 Park Sierra, ready to go for westbound departure.
Cessna 9er Foxtrot Sierra, you are cleared for takeoff, or right turn westbound approved.
Cleared for takeoff, 159 Park Sierra.
Centurion 54 Delta Zulu Greenville Tower, hold short of runway 19er for departing traffic.
Holding short, 19 for Delta Zulu.
How was the landing?
Good, nice.
Not too shabby?
How'd it feel for you?
I would say it wasn't too bad.
No, just give a little more nose up because we kind of landed flat. That would be my only critique.
Oh, okay.
Because I have to, right? I have to give you something. There you go.
County traffic, Centurion 54 Delta Zulu. is on the runway 5 RNAV practice approach. We're currently 9 miles to the south. We'll be turning inbound here in a few minutes.
Was that for Pickens?
Yeah. Was for Pickens.
Alright, there's 1800, looking good. A lot easier to see this airfield than our home field, isn't it?
This is much better, man.
It's easier to see. There's not as much cultural lighting. Good, turn your downwind, don't get too far away. Good. Let's get our strobes on so that guy can see us. Sweet, perfect.
Pickens County, Cessna 159 Parks at Sierra on left downwind for runway 5, Pickens.
I think that's him way out there. We should be alright.
Again?
I think that's him way out there. If you look in the clouds, there's some strobes up there. I think that's him. Way out there. Aircraft on the RNAV for Pickens, the 95 shots there here. We're going to do this last touch and go, and then we'll be departing over towards Donaldson.
Approach, and we're looking for the traffic for Delta Zulu.
I think that's him out there. I think we got him, so let's do our thing.
How many did we plan to?
2 at Pickens or 3? 3 out here, so we'll do another one. So we do, don't worry, he's right there, we'll catch him. And Delta Zulu 95 shots that has you in sight, we're going to do this touch and go, and then we'll follow back in one more pattern after that behind you.
For Delta Zulu, negative on the Cessna Pickens.
Just extend, I have him in sight right now.
I see him too, he's over there.
Yeah, we have you in sight, sir. How far are you away from the airport?
We are currently 7 miles south for Delta Zulu.
Okay, we're going to turn on our base leg right now. We'll do a touch and go back in the pattern. We'll be number 2 behind you after that.
That worked for us. For Delta Zulu, still looking for you at Pickens.
Okay, so he's 7 miles away, so that's cool. Good. All right. Look at your altitude, get your reference. Good. You know you're on a 90. Nice job, Roman. Good. 1500, right? Small descent, looking good. 65. Got the flaps at 20. Real nice approach. This is real good. You're getting comfortable now. See how the landing light there? You can see kind of the
For Delta Zulu has traffic on the left base for runway 5 at Pickens.
Okay, we just turned final. We're going to do a touch and go for you.
For Delta Zulu, thank you much. And we'll be a stop and go.
Alright, so you're about 300 feet. You got 2 lights. So we know we're good on our altitude. Self up, you got the landing light on this time, right? Gas, landing light, undercarriage, mixture of props, seatbelts, we're good to go. There's one red, one white. Oh nice, so keep this right here. 60 knots runway, 60 knots runway, and don't break my back this time.
Sorry, man. I know I suck.
You don't suck, I'm just giving you a hard time because it's fun. Alright, so keep one red, 2, 1 white, looking good. There's 60 knots, don't get slow. Looking real nice. Alright, 1 red, 1 white, keep the power on a little. Don't get slow, don't run too close to the runway, it's night. There you go, see how you see the runway now this time?
Yeah.
So just keep what you got right here. Just ease the power back, flare, right there, hold it, flare, 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 flare. Perfect.
Pickens County traffic, Centurion for Delta Zulu, 3 mile, final runway 5, Pickens.
We got the beacon sight over there, right there, so Donaldson's over here. Looking good. Alright, I got the runway right there on about 10 o'clock, so keep your altitude. And go ahead and give them a call, say we're on a 2 mile, or we're about 3 mile base.
Donaldson Tower 159 Parks is here. We are on about 3-mile base.
Cessna 159er Foxtrot Sierra. Roger, sir. Runway 5, you are cleared for the option and make left traffic.
Runway 5 cleared for the option, left traffic, 159 Parks is here.
There you go, watch your altitude out here. See that the runway's right over here? See the runway out there? Off your left side, about spot. See the runway lights?
Yeah.
Alright.
The red light here?
Yep,
is
just side of this side of it, yep.
And these 3 white lights?
Yeah, just above those 3 white lights is the runway. See the runway lights, the yellow ones?
Okay, so I can turn now, huh?
Oh, wait a little longer, longer.
Let me know. But I
Just
can
don't get any lower.
do
Here,
flaps
here.
10, right?
Yep, absolutely. So there you go. You see the runway yet? You see the black spot? I see the rabbits launch into it. That's what I want you to see. See the rabbits? So come up a little bit. I want you to see that. Come up just a little. Give it a little power. See that rabbit light leading into the runway? This is a military place, a pretty big runway, so they have rabbit lights. You see that rabbit light leading in?
Yeah.
That's the end of the runway right there.
Okay.
You got 4 reds. You see the VASI lights next to the runway?
Yes.
That's the 4 VASI lights. There you go, good. Alright, so judge your turn. You still got time. I mean, we're still got a ways to go.
Call it rabbit light?
That's called the rabbit, yeah. So this is a little more lit up than Golf Mike uniform than home field, but not as much as GSP. I turn now.
So he cleared us for the option, so we can...
Yep, we can do a stop and go. So here's a little additional lighting compared to home field. Got the rabbit, you got the little lights until you're getting close. There you go, so we're 600 feet to go, so let's start coming down a little bit. Real nice.
We have 2 whites, 2 reds.
Perfect, looking good. So just follow the glide slope down, get to your 60 knots, let's do it. Alright, 500 feet to go. 35 knots. Good. Doing real nice on the controls tonight, very steady.
Am I crabbing?
Yeah, a little bit. You might have a little bit of wind coming out of the north. Or they switched to runway 1. Alright, doing good. Alright, back to Sirius. 80 knots. We can bring it back to speed a little bit. That's the hard part at night. It's even harder to tell what speed you're at. Alright, the three whites and a red. Look, this is real nice. Keep your speed on. There you go, 65 full flaps. Looking for 60. Good. Alright, idle makes just a little flare right there, hold it. Right there, just hold down, flare, 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 flare. Beautiful. Oh, I liked it. Felt good. Nice.
Were you helping a lot?
No, I was just making sure that we had it. You were pulling it. See over there, the C-17. You see the nose? You're too soft there.
Cessna 9er Foxtrot Sierra, sir, squawk 0136.
0136, 159 Parks is here.
Oh, 1.
Yeah, that's all you gotta do. You don't have to press enter or anything. Whatever you're showing is it.
Okay. Do we need to...
Yep, just go direct. We go direct to GSP. Here we go. Oh, straight off the nose.
Fly runway heading.
Zero 4. Do it. Ready to go?
Yep.
Go. I'm just messing around here. Trust you.
Cessna 159 Foxtrot Sierra on the go, sir. Fly heading 130, Greer approach request.
130, Greer approach.
Oh, we climb first.
Yep, climb to your 500 to make your turn. Just let them know.
That's what Greer asked?
The Greer wants us to fly heading 130, yep.
Airport in sight, advise initial contact, you have Lima. Greenville, Spartanburg, information Lima, 2353 Zulu weather, wind
Cessna 159 Foxtrot Sierra, remain clear of the Greer class Charlie until you establish communications with them. You can contact Greer now 118.8. Good night.
118.8, good night, sir.
There's 130. Alright, so this call just goes like this. Good evening, go approach. Skyhawk 159 Foxtrot Sierra with you, climbing through 2000 for 2,500 off Donaldson, looking for 2 touch and goes at Greer.
Skyhawk 159 Foxtrot Sierra, Greer departure, good evening, radar contact, turn left heading 070.
Left 070, Niner Foxtrot Sierra. You got it, go ahead. I'm so used to, like my old ways.
Niner Foxtrot Sierra, you looking for a full stop taxi back or just touch and go?
Just for the option, full stop on the runway to it and then go.
Roger.
That's what I'm just trying to let him know, so he'll call Tower and Tower will know.
Colonel Sparmer here for information. Mike now current for Skyhawk 159 Foxtrot Sierra, new weather at GSP, wind 100 at 4, altimeter 3033.
3033, Niner Foxtrot Sierra, thank you. Alright, so 3033, make sure we're good in there. We don't need the ATC anymore. So.
Waterscape 4372, clear drag the Ventrum.
Alright, Greer Tower is going to be 120.1.
Waterscape 4372, contact Atlanta Center 135.35. Have a great weekend. First
Alright, 2,500. Let's start looking for GSP now. It's only 10 miles out, so let's level off 2,500 right here and just start looking for the beacon.
Zentrum, the first fix on the Beamer 1 and the frequency 3535. Skyhawk 9 Foxtrot Sierra, fly heading 040, advise you have GSP in sight, over the turn will be 12 o'clock and 9 miles.
We have the airport in sight, 9 Foxtrot Sierra.
9 Foxtrot Sierra, roger, resume on navigation, altitude is your discretion, and contact Greer Tower 120.1. Have a great night.
120.1, good night, sir.
Beautiful runway, look at that.
Okay, so you got the taxi lights take off and everything. Alright, looking good. Alright, glumps are good. Alright, 50 feet. 60 runway. Power flare. Hold it. Perfect. Watch your pedals at the end there. There you go. Alright, full stop. Brakes, flaps up.
Okay.
Alright, let's do it. We'll do one last one at home field and we're done. That's 9.
It almost wants to fly before rotation speed.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we got a little, just a tad of headwind, sure. We're real light on fuel too. Look how much fuel we got.
Yeah, we better get home.
Yeah, we got this. That's what I was saying. We got one more here, and that's it. Then we're gonna head back to home field. Got about 8 gallons in one tank, 6 gallons in the other. So we're doing. I mean, we got about 45 minutes left.
What time is it anyway?
It is now 8:15. We need 3 hours of nighttime, so this will we'll probably be right at 2 hours, which would be perfect. So then you'll have your 3 hours, no problem on our next flow. We just do a half hour somewhere back and forth, and you'll be fine. And you're cross country. Make sure we go more than we said. Do whatever the mileage is. We'll be fine. Alright, let's go back direct to GMU.
That would be to the west?
Yeah, southwest.
050?
Yeah, go ahead, hit it in. Or just go direct.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there you go. Sweet. Alright, 243 right there, looking right off the nose. Let's start looking for the beacon. Oh, there it is. Right off the nose. Perfect. White. Green. There it is, right there.
That's right, yeah.
Wait for his handoff and probably switch us right over to tower. We have Victor. You can let him know, Greer, we have Victor at GMU.
At tower, Piedmont 490 on the way to the visual runway 4.
Piedmont 4954, Greer Tower, runway 4, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 4, Piedmont 4954.
Greer Tower 159 Park Sierra, are we allowed to switch over to GMU?
So it's not Foxtrot here, I just set the trap for you, make sure you weren't going to be a factor for it, and there's no more traffic for you tonight. Have a good night, contact Greenville Tower.
Contact Greenville Tower, have a good night, sir.
Oh, we got Victor, runway 1.
Greenville Tower, Skyhawk 159 Park Sierra, 4 miles from the east with information Victor for full stop landing.
So it's a 159er Foxtrot Sierra, Greenville Tower, enter a right downwind runway 1.
Right downwind runway 1, 159 Park Sierra.
There you go, you're back on now, right where you want to be, right? See the green approach lights? We got rabbits on this side, so here you go. Alright, so we got pull the power out. Third final.
Oh, I overshot it.
That's okay. Just don't kick the tail. Just keep your turn like you got. We'll line up at the end. Keep that powered idle. Get your rest of your flaps in. That'll help you slow down and get down. Go. Line yourself up. Alright, Clumps is good. Land light.
Centurion 54 Delta Zulu, runway 1, cleared for the option.
Alright, clear for the option. 54 Delta Zulu will be a full stop this time. Thank you.
Roger.
Flare, 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 flare. A little too much, sorry. Oh, good. Sorry about that, really. We had a good rate of descent, so I was just concerned about smacking too hard.
Yeah.
Cessna 9er Foxtrot Sierra, turn left at Alpha 5, taxi to the ramp on this frequency.
Alpha 5, taxi to the ramp on this frequency, 9er Foxtrot Sierra.
Alright. Alright, get your flaps up. Got your light taxi on, strobes there. You turn the strobes off once we get